Chapter 2, Going to the Mela. Preparing for the Mela. The Mela has finally come to town. Neeta and Radha are getting ready to go to the Mela. There is a lot of excitement. The Mela is a little far from home, so they need to take a bus. What's happening? You all seem to be very busy, asked Dadiji. We are going to the Mela, Dadiji. Please come with us, requested Neeta and Radha. Mela? Oh, yes, your mother asked me to come along too. I would have loved to, but you know my legs hurt, said Dadiji. Neeta's father joined the conversation. We have a lot of people with us. Our neighbors, Sneha and Rohit, as well as Mohan Chacha, paternal uncle, and his family. They are arriving by train today. Don't worry, we will take care of you. Dadiji smiled and answered, All right, I will come. Have you filled up your water bottles? Oh, yes, Dadiji, our special bag is ready too, Neeta replied. The children jumped with joy. Everybody was very happy that Dadiji has agreed to come. Neeta's father called out to their neighbors, asking them to be ready on time. In the meantime, Mohan Chacha called them to say that they would meet Neeta and her family directly at the Mela. They would take a city bus and then an auto rickshaw to reach the Mela ground. Wow, there are so many of us. What fun we are going to have! Exclaimed Radha. On the way to the Mela, Sneha and Rohit are not just Neeta's neighbors, they are close friends too. They are also getting ready to go to the Mela. Sneha, get ready quickly. Neeta's family will be arriving soon, said their mother. I am almost ready, Ma. I am just making sure that I have taken everything I need with me. Sneha added. It's time to leave. Neeta's family is here, announced her father. Soon after, they all left for the Mela. Neeta held Dadiji's hand and led her slowly to the bus stop. They walked carefully on the road, keeping an eye on the vehicles moving in both directions. Bus number 401 or 401 slowly came to a halt. The conductor and Neeta's father helped Dadiji get on the bus. There was a seat reserved for older people. Dadiji sat comfortably in it. Everyone boarded the bus and sat all around Dadiji. Rohit's father insisted on buying the tickets for everyone. 5 full and 4 half tickets, please, he said to the conductor. He told the children to sit on their seats and not jump around. He also asked them not to put their hands or head out of the window for their safety. The bus went through the city and finally reached the big ground where the Mela was being held. At the Mela, both the families reached the big parade ground where the Mela was being held. Mohan Chacha and his family also got down from an auto rickshaw. At the entrance, there was a map of the Mela ground showing the various stalls and their locations. An ambulance, police jeep, and fire engine were parked next to it. There was also a lost and found booth with volunteers. Mohan Chacha and Rohit hurried to get a wheelchair for Dadiji. As they entered, they saw stalls with games, toys, sweets, and many interesting things. The children were overjoyed. They visited the toy stall, from where they bought spinning tops, puppets, firkis, and dolls. The children then took a ride on the merry-go-round and the giant wheel. Sneha and Radha bought bangles and other trinkets. Let us go and see the magic show now, said Neeta. They also then enjoyed the magic show. Mohan Chacha called out to the children, "You have had a lot of fun. Now let's have something to eat. But before you eat, you need to wash your hands properly." The children went to the water point and washed their hands. They all ate golgappas, chaat, chole kulche, hot jalebis with rabri, kulfi, and many other delicious things. After eating, they made sure they put all the waste in the dustbin. As they were leaving the Mela, Dadiji exclaimed, "Look, children, who is accompanying the police officer?" All the children answered together, "Dadiji, it is a police dog." Kumbh Mela is the world's biggest festival. It is the largest gathering of mankind and is held on the banks of rivers Ganga, Yamuna, Godavari, and Shipra. It is held once every 12 years in Haridwar, Prayagraj, Nashik, and Ujjain.